Buongiorno a tutti. Welcome to day 13 of my Italian language learning challenge. Yesterday I did lesson 31 and it had 3 parts: family members, numbers, and possessive adjectives. It's like a question: do you want me to tell you first the good news or the bad news? Well, let me tell you. Family members and numbers is good news. Possessive adjectives, bad news. I'll explain why. Let's start with the good news. Family members. La madre, il padre. Perfect. Il figlio, la figlia. Well, I already know this word from before, so it was very easy to make a connection. Il fratello, la sorella. Also, very similar to Romanian, frate and sora. Il nonno, la nonna. I don't know from where, but I heard kids calling their grandparents nonna. I don't remember what nationality were there, but to me it kind of clicked. Okay, nonno, nonna. Then go numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was supposed to say nove, not nova. Because in Romanian you say noua, so nove. Have to remember that. Also, easy peasy, good news. Now, possessive adjectives. The good news though about the possessive adjectives is that they are also possessive pronouns. They don't have different. Still, just for I, they have 4. 2 for masculine and 2 for feminine. Singular, plural. So, mio, mia, miei, mie. Again, now it probably, to me, it looks like I won't be able to learn them all. But I think in the context, the more I use, the more they sort of make sense, because they need to connect also to the words that they describe. So I'm just going to tell you all of them, and then hopefully that slowly, eventually I learn them, because the way that it looks to me right now is like impossible to learn. Anyways, so we are at 2. Tuo, tuo, tuoi, tue. Lui, lei, suo, suo, suoi, sue. Yes, it has a rhythm, it has some kind of pattern to it. And I'll figure it out, but just as it is now, to me it seems like a mountain. It was noi, nostro, nostra, nostri, nostre. Yeah, that's very similar to Romanian. Nostro, nostra. Voi. Vostro, vostra, vostri, vostre. And loro is only one. Loro. Wonderful. Of course, in learning any language, it's just review, repeat, repeat, repeat. And for me, it actually, the fact that I'm filming it and that I'm editing it, also it helps me to review it. So even if nobody's going to watch it, I know that it did me some good, because I recorded it, again, review. I edited it, review again. So on that good note, let me finish my video for today. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Ciao.